Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you two methods to change Wi-Fi password in TP-Link Archer AX72 Pro. Let's go. The first method is TP-Link Tether application in your smartphone, so open this app, then switch to More at the bottom and hit Wi-Fi settings. Here is your Wi-Fi network name and password, so tap on that. Now tap on this eye icon to see your password. Tap here in this field, delete your old password, enter a new one. Also, you can disable Smart Connect and separate 2.4 and 5 GHz networks and set different password for each one. But I see no reasons to do like this. I prefer to keep the bands unified. So let me just change password for this example, already done, and hit save to apply your changes. Confirm this and wait for changes to apply. Next, the smartphone from which you're making changes will be connected to the network automatically with new password. For all other devices, you need to reconnect them manually. So hit connect, wait for a while, and that's it. Your password is changed and your smartphone is reconnected. Another way is to change Wi-Fi password from the router's web interface. To do this, connect your computer to your router's Wi-Fi network, then open a web browser and in the search bar type in the following IP address: 192.168.0.1. This is default IP address for all TP-Link router. If you haven't changed it yourself, then hit enter and it takes you to the web interface. Probably you will need to enter your admin password as well, but I was logged in, that's why I'm here without the password. So what you need is switch to wireless. You have more settings than in the application, but what you need is your password. Password is here. So change it, then save it, and so here is your summary once again. Unlike smartphone, the computer will not be reconnected to TP-Link network automatically with new password. So what you need to do is open your Wi-Fi settings, start menu, then settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Now manage known networks and forget TP-Link network, and then open the network list and reconnect with your new password. It's faster than just reconnect and let the system to check the old passwords. Just use this method, it's faster. I hope this was helpful. If it's so, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.